Hello guys, welcome back to CAD-CAM e-learning and tutorial series of part modeling in SolidWorks. In our third exercise, we are going to draw a crane hook. In this tutorial, we will learn to use 3D sketch and boundary boss features, which will draw the whole hook in a single go. So let's see how to do it. I have already set up its orthographic view in SolidWorks to avoid switching between windows. If you want to learn how to set up orthographic views, then watch my separate video. The link is given in the description below. In this example, only one view is sufficient. Now open the file in SolidWorks, see the orthographic view already set up. Now select front plane and start a sketch. First draw the horizontal and vertical axes. Now draw two reference horizontal lines. Define their distance from the horizontal axis. Now draw the two circles in the middle. Define the diameter of small circle. Define the diameter of large circle and position of its center. Draw this small circle at tip of the hook which is tangent to the reference line. Define its diameter. Now draw tangent lines, first from smallest circle, then from small circle. These two lines are parallel. Their apart distance is 48. And finally from large circle. Select 3-point arc and draw arc between the two circles. Make it tangent to both circles and define its radius. Similarly, draw arc between line and circle. Make it tangent to line and circle. Define its radius. Now select center arc and keep center on this horizontal reference line and draw an arc. Make it tangent to the circle. Define its radius. Similarly, draw the other arc. This arc is tangent to the circle. The end point of these two arcs are symmetrical to vertical axis. Now let's get into the shape of hook. Trim the extra portions of the three circles. Be careful and zoom in to trim the right portions. Now draw a couple of straight lines to complete the upper part. Define their dimensions. Mirror them about vertical axis. So finally we have achieved the shape of hook. Now for boundary boss we have to locate the position of profiles, and for that let's draw straight lines at a couple of locations. Also we have to divide the sketch into two halves, and for that go to tools in main menu, then sketch tools and select split entities. Select midpoint of this arc at tip section, and you can see the arc has been split into two halves, and so is the whole sketch. Exit the sketch. Now to draw the profiles, select 3D sketch and start drawing circles at locations as shown in the video. In order to change the orientation while drawing, press tab. Coincide the circles with endpoints and coincide the centers at midpoints. Now we are ready to apply boundary boss. Select boundary boss and select all the circular profiles one by one in direction 1 box. Now click on direction 2 box, right click and select manager to select the portions of the sketch. If we directly click, it will select the whole sketch, which we don't want. Now start clicking on the inner half of the sketch, press OK when complete. Now again select manager in direction 2 box and start clicking on the outer half of the sketch. Now in preview, you can see our boundary boss is ready. Press OK and wow, our hook is ready in just one go. So we don't have to use any other feature. We have completed the hook with just 2 sketches and 1 feature. Now let's see you in the next tutorial soon. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification of my next videos. Thanks for keep watching and liking CAD-CAM e-learning. Take care.